Is your pain, numbness, or tingling is it reproducible? What do I mean by that? What aggravates your back? Mike, what aggravates your back?
Just getting up in the morning.
Mine is standing.
Standing. Go ahead, you guys can keep it coming.
Sitting too long.
Sitting.
Bending.
Bending. Walking. Lying down. Hang on. You guys are too fast. Lying down. Lifting.
Carrying groceries upstairs.
So carrying or lifting. How about vacuuming?
Oh, yeah.
Yard work? Anybody play golf?
Yep.
Golf. Do you slice a lot, Dave? Good for you. Good. In fact, I'm planning on doing a workshop tailored for golfers with back pain because there are 5 most common false swings that golfers make that aggravate their back.
I got one there. Walking on stilts.
I was going to say.
All right.
I don't use them anymore because of my knees.
Oh, okay.
No cartilage.
All right.
Not
Wow.
very safe.
Wow. Wow. Anything else that we missed? Driving. How about getting in and out of the car? Anybody get aggravated from rolling in bed?
Yes.
How about sex? And I'm serious, by the way. Yeah, because there's a specific condition. Yes. I know, usually people don't want to bring that up, but I have to do it.
There's some things you're just willing to suffer through.
I love it, Dave. I love it. All right. Now, our original question was, can your pain be healed naturally without medications, injections, and surgery? And can you be part of that 90%? Here's the trick. If your pain is reproducible by any one of these or anything else that aggravates it that we don't have on the board here, there's a silver lining to it. Because if your pain is reproducible, it is reducible because there is a cause. That means there's a mechanical cause of your pain. On the other hand, how do we know if you will be part of the 10%? If your back pain or sciatica is a constant 3 to 4 out of a 10, no matter what you do, it's not affected by anything, not relieved by anything, not aggravated by anything, it just stays the same no matter what. It's a red flag. And we usually refer that person back to their primary care physician because normally that is suggestive of something more organic. Could be your spleen, your kidney, your liver, and not a mechanical cause. Okay?